Good morning, guys. In front of me is MOTOROLA RAZR 2025, and let me show you how to reset all the settings on this device. So first of all, open the settings. Then from main settings list, select System. And here click on Reset Options. Now all you have to do is to mark Reset Device Settings Deferred here. And now if you truly want to reset device settings, and as you can see, any changes you've made to the following settings will be undone, like battery, display, storage. So if you are aware of that and you still want to do it, just mark Reset Device Settings, enter your PIN code if you have one, provide your fingerprint, however you protect your device, and mark Reset. Now just wait till it's done, till it's finished. So basically that's it. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.